Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy heart-shaped ornament. So let's get started. To make these hearts, I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and wrap it around a round object like that. And don't worry about it, we're going to shape it into a heart later. But now I can form this down into a hanging loop. Like that. So when we're done, we'll reshape it into a heart. For now, it doesn't matter, we just want the right length. So when we're finished, we'll shape it into a heart like this. And I'm going to work with 100% cotton worsted and a 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm going to attach my yarn on one side of this loop. So hold the yarn in front and then bring it around and take a stitch. Now I'm going to make 5 single crochet. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I'm going to make a loop. So I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to make 5 more single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to repeat that. And then periodically I'll push the single crochet so that you don't see the pipe cleaner through. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around and I worked 13 of these loops. So I'm going to fasten off. And now I'm going to wind this around a few times and wind this one around and then tie them into a square knot. Trim off the end and just rearrange these so that you don't see the pipe cleaner anywhere. So now we can shape it back into a heart. So just fold it straight down from here like that and then push that part down and bring up the 2 loops. Pinch it here, and if you have an uneven number of loops, then 1 loop can go straight down at the bottom. Now you could block this, so just spritz it with water and then arrange it on a soft towel or face cloth so that it can dry nice and flat. You could use this as a photo frame. You could put Baby's First Christmas and put a picture of a baby in there, or Our First Christmas Together and have a married couple, or you could just use it like this. This is just a little piece from a garland and you could attach that in the center. So I'm going to pass a ribbon through my loop and I cut a short length of ribbon and I'm going to form it into bows. Crease that so that I can find the center and bring that little crease right down into there. And I'm going to glue that here. Like that. And then I made another one. And I'm just going to place that like that. I have some gold garland. I'm going to cut off a bead and glue that right there in the center. Like that. Like that. And I've done that on the other side as well. So I have decided to cut some of these little gold beads off of this garland. And I'm going to glue one at the base of each one of these loops all the way around. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you when it's finished. Okay, like that, I've gone ahead and glued a little gold bead at the base of each one of the loops. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this heart Christmas ornament. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.